Let's unbox the Forward S65 Pro Max S microscope. I'm doing it so that you will see all the parts. You will see the specifications of the microscope because you have been creating videos using this microscope recently, and a lot of people seem to have a lot of interest. So after you open the box, you see that you have the stand plate right here, and the sweetest thing about this is that it has this heat insulation mat right here, which is very important. You don't have to get another mat to put on top of the plate after mounting the microscope and all that. So that one is basically okay and it's solid. So here we have the main package of the microscope. We're just going to remove it, go through the package, unseal it, then go through the package, and you will see everything that is in the package. Great. So as you can see, we have every part, every single part here. We have the microscope itself. We have this is the microscope body. It feels good, feels solid. We're going to just take a look at everything inside the package, then go ahead and mount the microscope step by step while I give you some details about the microscope, so that when you are getting, you will know what exactly you are getting. So we have to put that stand clamp or whatever it's called, but it's very easy to mount the microscope. It's very easy to mount that. So you have the knot right there. You just put it, position the stand, then yeah, you just screw it like that. So everything that you have to mount the microscope comes inside the box that you need to use to mount the microscope is there available. Then we put this, you just put it like that and it's okay, very firm. And pull that's a little bit too high, but we are going to push it down soon. So you have this, which is the microscope. Pull down also to zoom up, zoom down the microscope, push up and push down the microscope. And the main thing about microscope, if you don't have this, if you have this which isn't that smooth, then yeah, you won't really enjoy the microscope. This one is very smooth. Then we have the microscope body right here. It looks perfect, professional, feels great. While you are zooming right here, everything feels so great. We cannot talk about the microscope without talking about the total magnification, the overall magnification of the microscope. So the Forward S65 Pro Max S has a continuous zoom range of 6.5 to 65 total magnification. That's a lot. If you know about microscope and you know about the zoom that I'm talking about right here, you will know that it's enough in such a way that you can actually do jumpers on CPU tracks and all that. It actually zooms in and you have that 4K quality. Depending on the camera that you are using, you get perfect clean quality. I'm talking about the ocular lenses. You have a 10 times 21mm field of view lens, which is very great. The 10 times means that it actually magnifies the image that it takes from the microscope body 10 times. That's perfect, right? So that's why you see that the ocular lenses, they're really long as compared to other microscopes that do not have that high zoom when it comes to the ocular lenses. And it also comes tagged with a 0.4 CTV camera adapter. We are C-mount cameras, talking about the HDMI cameras here. So this 0.4, it means that you will get a wide field of view for the camera sensor, which is basically great. You get that wide field of view while you are working on the PC, taking a look at the screen, recording your videos and all that. So we also have a objective zoom lens, which the magnification is 0.7, and it's basically good. The 0.7 is basically good because you can actually push up your microscope. You can push it up really high so that you will have enough space to work under the microscope, do your soldering, use your workstation and all that. So yeah, it's basically okay. So taking a look, you see that we have this light control, which is very good, and I love because you don't screw anything when it comes to the light right here. You can just pull it off, put it in, and everything will work smoothly. You control the light right there, just like that, and very smooth. So we have a motherboard right there. Let's try to take a look at the ocular lens using our phone camera. So you see how clean that looks. That's the standard zoom range you get. Looks perfect. Take a look at the other side. that looks perfect, right? So yeah, that's it basically.